Hello friends, I am Darshan Patel, practicing chartered accountant and a registered valuer for financial assets. Thank you very much for viewing my recent video on right issue of Reliance Industries Limited. Today I am sharing my views on one of the few important questions asked by my friends and viewers about the impact of stimulus package which government may announce soon. For better understanding of current market situation and to take correct decision, let me give you a tip. Yes friends, listen carefully. Stimulus is not a cure and it is a steroid. Let me attempt stimulus first out of the questions, because such package is announced, we can understand about the impact of the same, which is likely to be announced soon. I don't want you to take any wrong decision in any panic. So what is a stimulus? Yes, stock market is expecting a big stimulus in near future. Every day we are reading globally about stimulus packages issued by different countries. For all of us, it is very important to understand meaning of stimulus. Stimulus is like a steroid given to the human body. Normally when the main drug does not work, steroid is given as a supplement and as a booster dose. Government stimulus package are mainly for increasing spending power of people, creating demand, and economy can be revived to that extent. When it is about government spending and taxation, we call it as a fiscal policy. These measures are taken to counter global recession. Let me inform you that fiscal stimulus is not a new for Indian economy. India has in the year 2008 declared fiscal stimulus nearly about 1% of GDP and has resulted into a big success too. During COVID-19, till date, India's stimulus with reference to monetary policy is less than 1% of GDP. Just to give you information about different countries, China has given 2.5% of stimulus of that country's GDP. Australia has given 9.9% of GDP. US has given nearly 10% of GDP, while Japan has given 21% of GDP for stimulus packages. What is important is not the number, but the actual implementation by these countries. As we all know, there is no free lunch. Attempt to give heavy stimulus package may downgrade India's sovereign rating, which can hamper status of investment grade of our country, which may result into withdrawal of invested capital and invested money from India. The stimulus package results into additional deficit, which needs to be monetized by printing more money. Quantum of stimulus package is critical. Recently, our chief economic advisor has also commented with a note that India should not compare stimulus numbers with the other country like US. There is expectation of big bang stimulus, but most likely it won't be a big one. Please understand that COVID-19 is manifolds and is an unprecedented event. Cash crunch, lower demand, unemployment, shift of labor, working capital blockage, etc. are short-term to medium-term impacts. Friends, mark my words. Stimulus is not a cure, but it eases the symptoms. And when the illness is above normal and not within the control, steroid-like stimulus are used. So it is an indicator of serious economic slowdown. Looking to Indian track record, stimulus of 2008 resulted into V-shaped recovery from the financial crisis. It took about 6 months to recover. Stimulus announced in the month of December 2008, where Sensex was nearly 10,000, which went further down to 8,726 in March 29, and thereafter recovered and never came to that level so far. But both the crises are not the same. COVID-19 is a bit more severe, where the industries are almost shut down and human life is at a danger. In my view, just to conclude, market may behave positively in the first week of declaration of such package, but the root cause analysis which I have just shared needs to be kept in mind. There will be time of dips. Use your brain and pick your share. This video is for educational purpose only, so consult your financial advisor before investing into equities. If you still not subscribe to my channel, subscribe it and please like and share. For more videos, comment down in the comment section. Thank you.